Good afternoon, everyone. How are you going? How are you feeling today? Okay, I hope you all are doing great. Because today, the lesson today, we will talk about everyone else memories. Okay, before we start, I want you to look at the board. Yeah. Pay attention to what I write. I have 3 secret questions for you. Okay, don't open your book, yeah. Don't open your book, yeah. Just look at what I write. Okay. First question: where did you go? The second one: what did you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan? Yang terakhir, how do you feel? How do you feel? Apa yang kamu rasakan? Oke, where did you go? What did you do? How do you feel? Atau how did you feel? Because it is a past tense. How did you feel? Yeah. Now I want to hear from one of you. Alicia, please. Let's talk about the memories you had. How about the last vacation, the last holiday you had? First one, where did you go on the last holiday?
So I went to Pekalongan.
Pekalongan, okay, great, Pekalongan. The city of Batik, Pekalongan. Ada lagunya. Kota Batik di Pekalongan. Okay. The second one, what did you do there? Kamu melakukan apa di Pekalongan? Oke, at Japanese food ya, makan makanan khas Jawa dan visited atau mengunjungi balai kota. Now the third one, how did you feel that time?
I feel very happy.
Okay, excellent. Okay guys, pay attention to what she says ya. Coba perhatikan yang tadi Alicia bilang. Ya, yang pertama, where did you go? I went to Pekalongan. Dia menggunakan went, verb to. Kemudian what did you do? She ate Japanese food and visited balai kota. Dan yang terakhir, she felt very happy. Ya, went, ate, visited, kemudian felt very happy. It is a verb 3 or verb 2. Sorry, verb 2 simple past. Because ya, she talk about the past. Okay, let me rephrase. Let me repeat. Okay, yeah. She used words like when, ate, visited, because she talk about memories. Yeah, she talk about things that happened in the past. We use past tense, verb 2 in English. You got it? Now the lesson today, we will explore about recount text ya. Teks yang menceritakan ulang pengalaman di masa lampau. Seperti tadi Alicia, she tells about the memories she had on the last holiday ya. Pengalaman yang dia lakukan di liburan kemarin. Oke. Nah, guys, pay attention. Hari ini kita akan menganalisis, kalian akan coba menganalisis sebuah teks recount ya, about a trip to outside the city ya, perjalanan keluar kota ya. Judul teksnya adalah My Trip to Bandung, perjalanan ke Bandung. Saya akan membagikan ini, nanti silahkan dianalisis. Ini adalah sebuah recount text ya, it's a text about retelling past experience ya, menceritakan pengalaman yang telah lampau. Ya. Di sini contohnya adalah trip to Bandung, perjalanan ke Bandung. Oke. Enggak ya. Silakan langsung dibaca nanti teksnya. Dua. All of you got the text ya. Kamu telah dapat lembarannya, coba boleh kamu baca. Mari kita lihat bersama lembarannya ya. dalam teks ini we will talk atau kita akan membahas tadi recount text. Kita membedah 3 bagian utamanya. Di situ ada 3 or more paragraphs ya. The first one, bagian pertama, the part 1 is orientation ya. Bisa dilihat di situ orientation. Kemudian nanti ada events, kemudian ada reorientation ya. Serta ada, kalau kamu lihat di situ perubahan kata kerja, penulisan kata kerja verb to, because itu happen in the past, terjadi di masa lampau ya. Nanti di akhir pembelajaran, Bapak mau kamu, I want you all, you can write atau kamu bisa menulis your own draft of the context, draft teks kamu sendiri tentang the context, yaitu nanti pengalaman liburan kamu atau pengalaman yang pernah kamu lakukan di masa lampau ya. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Pay attention to the text ya. The context is like, biar kamu paham, biar kamu gampang mengertinya. It's like a house ya. Seperti rumah. It has 3 blocks atau 3 parts ya. Diperhatikan kertasnya. The first part is orientation. Look at the paragraph 1. It is the beginning of the story. Ya, awal mulai ceritanya dari konteks. Kemudian the block 2 atau the part 2, bagian kedua, bagian yang paling penting itu events. Events, it is what happened in the story ya. Apa yang terjadi di cerita itu. Bisa dilihat di paragraf kedua and so on. Please read carefully the events ya. And the part 3, last part is reorientation or the ending. Ya. You can look it up it is in the last paragraph, the orientation, reorientation or the ending. Okay. Now I want you all to work with your partner. Bekerja sama dengan teman sebangkumu ya. Work with your partner ya. Silakan baca teksnya, read the story, and then you find the verbs ya. Cari verb to atau kata kerja di masa lampau. Simple past-nya cari, verb to-nya dicari ya. In the text, trip to Bandung itu. Oke? Yuk kita baca sama-sama, coba perhatiin, diskusi sama temennya. Lihat, for example, lihat ada kata departed di situ, or stay ya. Jadi kamu cari kata-kata biar gampang ya. Simple past, words that end with ed, like departed or stay ya. Pokoknya simple past tense. Okay? You can start now. You can start now. Go on with the text ya, and have a discussion with your friend. Start. Okay. Go on ya, discuss with your friends. Putar-putar kasih lihatin yang lagi diskusi. Alright class, your time is up ya, waktunya selesai. Coba siapa yang bisa jawab, raise your hand if you have found the simple past or the verb to words. Okay, Bapak? Road, yeah, that's correct. That's past tense of ride ya, mengendarai. And what else?
Went back.
Went back, correct. Anyone? Okay, Elisa?
Stay.
Stay, okay, nice, yeah. Okay, everyone, let's review our record text. My trip to Bandung. Siapa yang bisa menjelaskan atau menjawab what is the beginning of the story? Bagian awal di mana penulisnya menceritakan di paragraf awal. What is it called?
That is orientation, sir.
Orientation, correct, Arvita. And the second part, yeah, where the writer tells about his experience, ya, saat dia melakukan perjalanan kemana, GBLA, Babakan Siliwangi, kemudian kemana terakhir di situ? Ya, kafe Senja. What is it called?
Bukan, sir, karena itu bukan kejadian.
Yes, events. The second part, what happened in the story, urutan kejadian, itu events. And the last part ya, bagian terakhir, di mana penulisnya merasa senang. Si dia menulis, I felt very happy. What is this part called? The last part called reorientation.
Udah Pak.
Okay guys, excellent. Now let's look at the test for one last time. Okay, now let's test your memory. Look at the text, all of you. Let's test your memory about the verbs we found in the Bandung text context. I say the verb 1, you say the verb 2, okay? Yeah. Now, first one, depart, verb 2. Verb 1, stay, verb 2. Verb 1, write, verb 2. Verb 1, visit, verb 2. Visit. Okay. Verb 1, go, verb 2. Okay, you guys are amazing. I can see you really understand the lesson. Okay, terakhir untuk pemahaman kamu. Now, for your homework today, ya untuk PR nanti di rumah, silakan membuat recount text. You make recount text ya. Kamu kan sudah tahu, sudah paham urutannya 3 part about the recount text. Now you write it down yourself in your home ya. Nanti saat pulang buat recount text ya. 3 part tadi tentang kamu boleh tentang pengalaman